Tesla's phone key feature allows you to use your smartphone as a digital key, replacing the traditional key fob. This provides keyless entry and automatically loads your driver profile, adjusting seats, mirrors, and climate settings for a personalized experience. It also includes enhanced security through advanced encryption to protect your vehicle. Ensure you have the latest version of the Tesla app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Log in using your Tesla account credentials. Outdated app versions may lack the necessary features or security updates for phone key setup. Go to your App Store and check for any updates that are available. To access vehicle settings in the Tesla app, first open the app on your phone and tap the vehicle icon to view your car's controls. From there, navigate through the menu by going to Controls, then Locks, and finally Phone Key. This brings you to the settings where you can manage all aspects of your digital keys. With your Tesla unlocked and the ignition off, select Add Phone Key in the app. Hold your phone near the driver's side door handle at the NFC spot, or follow the on-screen instructions for Bluetooth pairing. You may be prompted to scan a QR code or use biometric authentication like Face ID or fingerprint for added security. Now that your phone is paired, it's time to link it to your driver profile. This step connects your phone key to a specific user profile in the Tesla app, allowing personalized settings to activate automatically when you approach the vehicle. First, navigate to the Driver Profiles section in the Tesla app. This is where you manage different user profiles for your vehicle. In the Driver Profiles menu, you can either create a new profile for a different driver or select an existing one. Each profile can have its own settings like seat position, mirror adjustments, and climate preferences. Under the profile settings, choose the Assign Phone Key option. This will show you available paired phones. Select the phone you just paired to link it to this profile. Finally, customize the auto unlock distance to your preference. The default is 5 to 10 feet, but you can adjust it based on your needs. This ensures the vehicle unlocks automatically when you approach with your phone. Once linked, your personalized settings will automatically apply when you enter the vehicle, making each drive tailored to your preferences. Now that your phone key is linked to your driver profile, it's time to test and secure your setup. First, exit your Tesla vehicle completely. Then, open the Tesla app on your phone and tap the lock button to secure your car remotely. Walk toward your Tesla with your phone in your pocket or hand. The car should automatically unlock when you get close enough, typically within 5 to 10 feet. For enhanced security, go to your Tesla account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code from your Authenticator app in addition to your password. If you encounter problems, such as the phone key not being recognized, try restarting your Tesla vehicle first. If the issue persists, contact Tesla support for assistance. Your Tesla phone key setup is now complete and secure. Now let's explore managing multiple keys and important security tips for your Tesla phone key setup. You can link up to 5 devices to your Tesla vehicle. Each device can be assigned to different driver profiles or used as guest keys for temporary access, making it convenient for families or shared vehicles. For enhanced security, keep your Tesla app updated to access the latest security features and bug fixes. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in your Tesla account. This requires a second verification step, like a code from your phone, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Be cautious of phishing attempts that target Tesla owners. Scammers may try to trick you into sharing your account details, so always verify requests and never click suspicious links. Phone keys automatically expire after 72 hours of app inactivity as a security measure. To prevent this, make sure to open the Tesla app regularly to keep your keys active.